Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dimas Rifki Wianda with student ID number 413-181-20047. Here I will to present a journal on corrosion journal with the title Inspection of Internal Erosion Corrosion of the Elbow Pipe in the Desalination Station. On the abstract to the decline in the amount of drinking water worldwide in the last decade, desalination station area. One of the most important methods for treating seawater to supply dry area, Sahara area, and offshore area with the pure water, due to its effective role and complex shapes, which in mainly based on the welding process. Pipe elbow are prone to corrosion problem give the liquid nature of the effluent. The result of the mechanic characterization tests such as metallurgy examination using optical microscopic and scanning electron microscopic on the X-ray diffraction and X-ray fluorescence allow use to analyze the main cause of defect on this section. The result obtained show that many technical solutions can be used to reduce and eliminate in the internal corrosion in pipe elbow, which is very helpful in increased energy development in the desalination industry. A long time ago, water wealth played a major role in the emergence many civilization and war between human nations. And recently, water crisis has become a serious problem because the security and increased demand for the clean water, and another aspect is the scarcity due to thermal emission and water pollution activities. For the reason, many countries have dedicated to adopt the seawater desalination methodology as a solution to the problem of water shortage. The solid liquid interaction in the desalination industry component cause chemical reaction at the elbow, which represent a critical zone in the piping system. The process of water treatment and transportation depend on the piping system, especially the elbow, which is an important part. Carbon steel is desired the best material for the pipe, making use of the characteristic mechanic properties and low cost of the material, but with the relative low corrosion resistant properties. It was reported in the literature that the fundamental parameter controlling elbow corrosion in the piping system of the desalination station are CO2, thermal effect, chloride, sulfate, water, and organic acid. Has strongly studied the corrosion elbow make of the carbon steel to understand the influence of piping operation condition and corrosion phenomenon. On the experiment procedure, material test specimen In our study, we'll prepare using sample from a fillet carbon steel elbow. This corrosion elbow samples will be taken to desalination plant in Chief, Algeria. Figure number 1 show a schematic presentation for the solution process and the location of the fillet elbow. The liquid solution pass through the elbow in a vertical direction. Yes, in the vertical direction here. Vertical direction as show the figure. There are two elbow in here and in here. Two elbow. Figure number 2 show an external view and corrosion position in three regions of the elbow pipe during the service operation. In internal, the internal inlet pressure is arranged 3.5 to 4 bars, where the outlet pressure reach only up to 1 bar. The flowing temperature reach about 85 degrees Celsius. The corrosed area in the two positions, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock of the elbow. This is a visual observation according to desalination plant operation system carbon steel. The carbon steel pipe should be inspected at location with the influence especially in the critical zone to surround the valve. Indeed, elbow corrosion takes the form of the hole and groove that extends in the same direction of fluid flow. This is caused by attack of the flowing fluid and the opening of the valve, and these two factors contributed greatly in eroding the thickness of the pipe. On the figure number 1, where the use to find out the reason for the erosion corrosion during experiment. The corrosion position of this sample we analyze of the degree. Figure number 2 in here. Figure number 2. Overall, it was observed, and the corrosion of elbow just occurred near the welding zone. On the position figure number 2 in here, the corrosion is near to from welding zone. Figure number 3 show the visual observation for the corrosion elbow pipe. Chemical composition and metallurgy examination. Knowing the mechanical behavior of the piping system is necessary to predict and avoid corrosion problem. The chemical composition of the carbon steel corrosed elbow was studied via microstructural and chemical properties investigation, including the tensile and hardness measure test. The metallurgy examination is considered so far as a very effective and the chemical substance that can be used solve to minimize the generation of intermediate molecule. Among the advantages of MEA substance is ability to reduce pollution, and the result from the repression of sulfur component in emitting CO2. One of the advantages MEA in here ability to reduce pollution by the presence of a sulfur component in CO2 release gases. And for the result, erosion corrosion in the pipe is still a complicated problem due to its impact on changing the structural and mechanical properties of the important component in structure infrastructure of desalination industry. Understanding the behavior of the corrosive elbow is greatly associated with the fluid solid interaction inside the pipe. In the study, samples for different zone corrosive elbow were used to analyze in corrosion behavior surface from behavior surface. A series of experiments were conducted to identify the cause of the corrosion erosion phenomenon. Along to corrosive elbow, the obtained result is different zones of elbow are listed in this section. In particular, our attempt in this study is determined is one or more factor has helped in evolving and propagating corrosion in test elbow. In figure number 5 in here, we have analyzed the three specimens according to the friction of fluid flow in the internal surface elbow. So show also a photodigital image that highlight the effect of corrosion on the internal surface of the elbow. It is clear that the surface layer in which the liquid passes is corrosion and surrounded by rock layer is indicated by arrow name A in here, A, B and D. And the zone A is proper surface which does not have sign of the corrosion. On the B point, in this area of where the fluid passes from and has uniform corrosion but without the defect. And finally, D is the corrosion zone where the flowing fluid attack the indicated location in this image. On the figure 6 in here, show the image of the non-corrosion zone. This is zone. This is for the result optical microscopic at the zone A. This is not corrosion zone. On the figure number 7, from the result optical at zone B. This describes the status of the surface of the second region B, which might have a high degree of the fluid soil interaction that's responsibility for the friction. On the figure number 8, this is a result from optical microscopic at zone D. In the zone D, zone of corrosion on the zone D in here, and detected the presence of the crack. This is crack from zone D, and the seriously corrosion erosion problem on this part. This zone has also a groove and pinhole to the attack of CO2 rich following fluid. In addition, the pressure of small solid particle in the fluid in mainly responsible on the erosion problem in the elbow, which will be further addressed in a following section. Thank you very much for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.